every suggestion that I give you from this moment on becomes so very, very real and vivid in your wonderful, powerful imagination. So in a moment, it'll be time for you to put your wonderful imagination to work as every suggestion that I give you from this moment on becomes so very, very real and vivid in your wonderful, powerful imagination. Okay guys, so what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to imagine you're on holiday, you're down on the beach, it's a beautiful, beautiful hot summer's day, and you're on a sunbed. I'd like you to settle back on your sunbed and relax. Feel the warmth of the sun engulf your whole body. It's a beautiful, beautiful hot summer's day. Settle back on your sunbed, relax. Feel the warmth of the sun engulf your whole body. You go back to your chair, thank you. Settle back and relax. You go, thank you. And as you lay there on your sunbed, I'd like you to just make sure you put your suntan cream on. Don't want you getting burnt. Thank you. As you lay there on your sunbed enjoying this beautiful, beautiful hot summer's day, so a fly comes down and lands on your nose. I'd like you to just gently brush the fly away from your face. And as that one goes, so another one comes. I'd like you to brush that one away too. And as that one goes, so another one comes. I'd like you to brush that one away too. And before you know it, you've got a swarm of flies around your face. I'd like you to just keep brushing the flies away. Just keep brushing the flies away. Alright guys, relax, 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 flies are gone. I want you to imagine now that you've gone down to one of our lunar parks and you're on a roller coaster ride. I want you to strap yourselves in and I want you to feel yourselves going higher and higher and higher, higher and higher, higher and higher, higher and higher. I want you to get both hands up in the air. Come on, the little kids, do it. So should you get both hands up in the air and get ready to scream like little girls as you go over the top now. And feel yourselves going higher and higher and higher, higher and higher, higher and higher, higher and higher. Keep both hands up in the air and get ready to go over the top now. Alright guys, relax, relax. I want you to imagine now that you're a washing machine going round and round, round and round, round and round, faster and faster and faster, 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 and get ready because you're coming up to the spin cycle. So get ready to hit that spin cycle now, faster and faster and faster. Alright guys, relax, relax. I want you to imagine now that you're a goldfish in a bowl. And I want you to swim round your bowl now. Swim round your bowl now. Faster and faster. Swim round your bowl now. Faster and faster and faster. Faster, 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 faster. And if you look behind you, you'll see there's a shark coming. So you need to swim. Faster and faster and faster. Alright guys, relax, relax. I want you to imagine now that you're in a funny face competition. And I want you to pull those funny faces now. Pull those funny faces now. Come on, you can pull funnier faces than that. Pull those funny faces now. Alright guys, relax. I want you to imagine now that you're a very scary monster. And I want you to scare everybody in the room now. Come on, you can be scarier than that. Scare everybody in the room now. Alright guys, relax. I want you to imagine now that you're down on a farm, and I want you to imagine that you're milking a cow. So milk that cow as fast as you can. But you can only use one hand. So milk that cow as fast as you can, but you can only use one hand. Faster and faster and faster. Alright, relax, relax, relax. I want you to imagine now it's Saturday night, you're in your car, you're on a hot date. I want you to wind your window down. I want you to get on the phone to your date, tell them you're on the way. I want you to check yourselves out in the mirror because you all look pretty good. And if you look in your mirror again now, you'll see you've got a roadhog behind you. And I want you to turn around and give him some abuse now. Alright, relax, relax, relax. Your roadhog's gone. Get back on the phone to your date, tell them you're nearly there. Make your final adjustments in the mirror because you're still looking good. And if you look in your mirror again now, you'll see your roadhog's back, and I want you to turn around, give him 100 times more abuse. So turn around and give him some abuse now. Alright guys, relax, 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 the roadhog's done. What should we imagine now that you're a jockey in a race? And the winning post is coming up very, very fast. And you really, really want to win this race. You need to get your whips out, you need to get your horses going. Go guys, you want to win this race or not? Faster, and faster, and faster. Yeah, well done guys, you've won the race. Settle back, relax, and sleep, and continue to allow yourselves to drift deeper and deeper and deeper whenever you hear the word sleep, and continue to make everything real and vivid in your wonderful, powerful imagination. Okay guys, when the next piece of music comes on, you'll both believe that you are watching a very, very, very funny film. It'll be the funniest film you've ever seen in your whole life. And it'll just get funnier and funnier and funnier. It's going to get absolutely hysterical. So when the next piece of music comes on, you'll believe that you are watching a very, very, very funny film. It's going to get funnier and funnier and funnier. Relax and sleep, sleep, sleep. It's going to get funnier and funnier and funnier. It's going to get absolutely hysterical. So, settle back and enjoy. It's the funniest film you've ever seen in your whole life. Funnier and funnier and funnier. Absolutely hysterical. The funniest film you've ever seen in your life. Sit back a little bit. Just stand up again. There you go. Sit back here. Sit back in your chair. Right, sitting in your chair this time. There you go. The funniest film you've ever seen in your whole life. Funnier and funnier and funnier. And you've had enough of that. You turn over and you're watching the saddest film you've ever seen in your life. It's the saddest film you've ever seen in your life. Wipe the tears away from your eyes. It's the saddest film you've ever seen in your life. Sadder and sadder. Wipe the tears away from your eyes. It's the saddest film you've ever seen in your life. And you've had enough of that. You turn over, settle back. Because you're watching a very, very sexy blue film. It's the sexiest film you've ever seen in your whole life. And you're really comfortable watching it. So settle back and enjoy. And your screen's magic. You can reach out and touch. So reach out and touch your screen now. Reach out, touch your screen, and enjoy. Sexier and sexier. Reach out, touch your screens, enjoy. Sexier and sexier and sexier. The sexiest film you've ever seen in your life. Reach out and touch your screen now. Reach out, touch your screen, and enjoy. Sexier and sexier and sexier. Let her go. I didn't expect that. And you've had enough of that. You turn over and you're watching the Saturday Night Horror Film. Freddy Krueger creeping into your dreams, creeping up behind you. Be careful, 'cause Freddy's coming to get you, creeping up behind you. Freddy's coming to get you. relax, relax. Freddie's gone, Freddie's gone, Freddie's gone. Relax and sleep and sleep. And continue to allow yourselves to drift deeper and deeper and deeper whenever you hear the word sleep. And continue to make everything real and vivid in your wonderful, powerful imagination. Okay guys, when the next piece of music comes on, you'll believe that you are in an air guitar competition. You'll be up out of your chairs playing your air guitars for all you're worth because you really, really want to win this competition. So when the next piece of music comes on, you'll believe that you are in an air guitar competition. You'll be up out of your chairs playing your air guitars for all you're worth because you really, really want to win this competition. So, eyes open wide awake, off you go. Love won't make some noise for them. Give them some encouragement. The more noise you make now, the better they'll perform for you. Come on, love won't give them some encouragement. Make a bit of noise for them. Big round of applause back in your chairs. Sit yourself down. What's your name, young man? I know your name. Your name's Jack.
Hey?
It's not.
What?
Your name's Jack.
Jack.
Yeah, very pleased to meet you. Relax and sleep. What's your name, young man?
Joe.
Sorry?
Joe.
Jay. Very pleased to meet you. Relax and sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Okay, guys? When the next piece of music comes on, you'll both believe that you are in Jack. Relax and sleep. Allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper to sleep. When the next piece of music comes on, you'll both believe that you are in the best bum competition. You'll be up out of your chairs, wiggling and slapping your bums for all you're worth because you really, really want to win this competition. So when the next piece of music comes on, you'll both believe that you are in the best bum competition. You'll be up out of your chairs, wiggling and slapping your bums for all you're worth because you really, really want to win this competition. So, eyes open wide awake, off you go. Love boat, give them some encouragement, make a bit of noise for them. The more noise you make, the better they'll perform for you. Go, Jack!
Too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts. And I am too sexy for Milan, too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan.
That's it, impress the judges. Give them a big, big round of applause back in your chairs. Well done. Jack, relax and sleep, 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 sleep. Excellent. Jay, can I just ask you a question? Do you think you're hypnotised?
I don't know what you've got.
Sorry?
Sorry?
Do you think you're hypnotised?
I'm here having fun.
You're just having fun. So if I told you this is a magic hypnotic microphone, if I touch you on the head with it, you fall asleep, what would you say?
No.
Wrong. Okay, talking to both of you. Now, when the next piece of music comes on, Jack, 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 give me your hand. Relax and sleep, 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 sleep. Deeper and deeper. When the next piece of music comes on, you'll both believe that you are the one and only fabulous Mr. Will Young. And as you know, Will Young loves the boys. So you'll be up out of your chairs serenading all the boys over 16s only, because when the next piece of music comes on, you'll believe that you are the one and only fabulous Mr. Will Young. You'll be up out of your chairs serenading all the boys over 16s only. So, eyes open wide awake, off you go. Be him there, Will Young's greatest fan. Will Young's greatest fan.
like the rain fall down my soul.
You haven't got to dance with him, just sing to him.
And I wonder how you look at me like that. What you thinking? What